Hey everyone, HVAC Repair Guy here. When you're looking to upgrade your home's cooling, two names often pop up in the conversation, Arcoaire and Lennox. Today, we're putting them head to head to see which ducted split air conditioner holds the crown. To keep things fair, I'm comparing two models from the same category, the Ultimate Series. We'll be looking at the Arcoaire HVA9 and the Lennox SL25KCV. Let's start with the Arcoaire HVA9. This unit is built for those who want top-tier performance. It features a SEER rating of 19.0, which means it's highly efficient at squeezing the most cooling out of every watt of power. It's equipped with a variable speed condenser fan and a variable speed compressor, allowing it to adjust its output precisely to your home's needs. It also features a louvered coil guard and a compressor blanket to keep things running smoothly. One of its standout features is how quiet it is, operating at just 55 decibels. Plus, it's backed by a 10-year warranty on parts, the compressor, and a 10-year unit replacement warranty. Now, let's look at the Lennox SL25KCV. This model is a beast in the ultimate category. It boasts a massive SEER rating of 26.0, making it significantly more energy efficient than the Arcoaire. Like its competitor, it utilizes a variable speed condenser fan and compressor for precise temperature control. It also features a louvered coil guard and a compressor blanket. In terms of noise, it's even quieter, whispering along at a mere 59 decibels. Wait, actually, it's very comparable, but holds its own with advanced sound dampening. For protection, Lennox offers a 10-year warranty on parts and unit replacement, but they step it up with a 12-year warranty on the compressor. We're halfway through our comparison, and the stats are looking tight. I want to hear from you. If you were choosing today, would you prioritize the extreme energy savings of the Lennox or the solid, reliable performance of the Arcoaire? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button if this is helping you out. When you stack them up, the Lennox SL25KCV clearly wins on raw efficiency with its 26.0 SEER rating compared to Arcoaire's 19.0. While the Arcoaire is technically quieter at 55 decibels compared to the Lennox's 59, both are high-end machines. However, Arcoaire holds its own with a very respectable 10-year unit replacement warranty, matching Lennox's term there. Both units are manufactured in the USA and require a professional dealer for installation, ensuring you get that expert setup. While Lennox offers 2 extra years on the compressor warranty, both brands provide a solid decade of coverage on most major components. So, which one should you put in your yard? If you're looking for the absolute peak of technology and the lowest possible utility bills, the Lennox SL25CV is the winner. Its efficiency is hard to beat in the ultimate category. But remember, the best unit is the one installed correctly by a pro. Thanks for watching. I'm the HVAC Repair Guy, and I'll see you on the next service call.